Hi, I'm Terry from Arcan. In this segment, we're going to talk to you about your RV furnace. Your RV furnace is controlled by the thermostat on the wall, so you just have to locate the thermostat in your unit there. So right here we have your thermostat. We're going to basically hit the power button and we're going to cycle through mode until we get furnace. Once you hit furnace mode, you set your temperature with the up and down. You'll hear the furnace fan kick in. Then a few moments later, it'll run through its ignition sequence and your furnace will be running. One of the features of this thermostat is that it can allow the air conditioner, the fan only, to run while the furnace is running, and it helps circulate the air throughout the RV. So it'll bring air through the exhaust or through the intake of the air conditioner and distribute that air through the vents, just helping a more even temperature. Often customers hear that air conditioner come on and think, goodness, my air conditioner is running while my furnace is running, opposing each other. It's actually not running the compressor and not trying to cool down the RV. So for that, we just simply go through this mode, and we get to this mode that says auto. Now in the auto mode, you'll use the arrow keys and low or high. So low is low fan, high is high fan. In those circumstances, the air conditioner fan will come on and run while the furnace is running, and move the selector to auto, and your air conditioner will be off entirely and your furnace will run all on its own. To turn the furnace off, you simply push the mode until you get off and you're done. The furnace will shut down. The fan will run for a little while to go through a cooling sequence, and then your furnace is off. This is a good one to have on your checklist for when you're packing up your RV to make sure your thermostat's in the off position. One more thing I do want to show you is I just want to show you the furnace vent on the outside of the trailer. It can get very hot while the furnace is running. So here's the furnace vent. When the furnace is running, this does get quite hot, so make sure your kids know not to touch. Well, that's your furnace. If you have any questions, feel free to visit us at one of our many locations, or give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.